Hey, this is Chris from Fugo, and this is the Intel Zircon mini PC from Simply NUC. And in this video, I'll unbox the player and tell you everything you need to know about setting it up and using it with Fugo's digital signage software. So let's jump in. Now, the Zircon is a Windows-based mini PC that's well suited for digital signage and kiosk applications. Fully configured, it comes in at around $250, which makes it a very affordable option for deploying digital signage projects that demand high performance. It's powered by an Intel processor and UHD integrated graphics to smoothly render demanding content like high-res videos, transitions, animations, and live data streams, all without crashing the player. And as Windows is a fully featured desktop operating system, it has stellar support for all the functionality of the Fugo app. It also comes equipped to support both Gigabit Ethernet and high-speed Wi-Fi. Its small size means you can tuck it away seamlessly behind screens or in tight spaces. And finally, NUCs are battle tested with regular security updates from Microsoft. So not only can you deploy these with confidence, but they'll be an easy fit for your teams who work with Windows-based infrastructure and peripherals. And you can check out some of its other features and specs right here. Now, I've got my player here, so let's go ahead and get it out of the box. So this is my unit. Also included in the box is the power supply and a Visa mount plate, which will allow me to mount it to the wall or the back of my display. Let's look at the I/O on the side panel. I've got two HDMI ports that support displays up to 4K resolution, two USB ports and a 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet port. And underneath you can see the hot air exhaust for the active cooling system. If you want a deeper look into the player's internals, I'll drop a video link in the description below. But for now, let's get this set up with Fugo. Here's what you'll need: a display or monitor with a HDMI port, a HDMI cable, a Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, a Fugo account, and a Windows license. You'll also need a mouse and keyboard if you'll be connecting your player to Wi-Fi. But note that a Windows license is not included in the starting price of the player. Now, you can either pay extra for Windows 11 Home, Pro or IoT, or opt to have Simply NUC ship your unit with no OS if you want to load it yourself. First, plug your player into a power outlet. Connect your player to your screen using a HDMI cable and turn it on. At this point, connect your player to Ethernet if that's how you plan to connect to the internet. If you don't use an Ethernet connection, you can connect to your Wi-Fi network later. Now, turn on your TV and switch to the HDMI input that your player is plugged into. Once you launch that input, it's going to take you through a few steps of initial setup. This is where your mouse and keyboard will start to come in handy. Select your Wi-Fi network and connect. Then, sign into your Microsoft account. Now, you're ready to install the Fugo app. Go to the browser and open the URL for the Fugo app. Click on the file link to install it. Alternatively, you can find the Fugo Digital Signage Player app in the Microsoft Store. I'll also drop a link to that down in the description. Now, once the app has loaded, you'll see a splash screen with a 4-digit PIN. You're going to use it to pair your screen by logging into Fugo from the browser on your computer. Inside Fugo, click Create, then Screen. Alternatively, you can get to the pairing page by clicking Screens in the top navigation bar, then Create Screen. Enter the pairing code, give your screen a name, and add its location if you want to be able to find it in Fugo's map viewer. Now you're ready to set any content you like to your screen with Fugo. Fugo allows you to display content from virtually any source, whether you're creating your content in our slide designer from scratch or pulling it from your systems that your team uses already. This includes high-res media, integrations with third-party tools, and dashboards or web pages that live behind secure logins. Head to fugo.ai to learn more about what's possible on screen. Make sure to check out our help center for more guidance on using Fugo, and of course, thanks for watching.